Pep Guardiola is beginning to trust Nico Gonzalez in that defensive midfield role, according to him in an interview or in his part two of his press conference ahead of the game of Bournemouth. He, he said that Nico Gonzalez is becoming a very key player in that defensive midfield role because he said he's learning from his teammates, and even Rodri himself still telling him some kind things that he need to do, and it is very okay. Then Pep also said that the reason now that Rodri cannot play right now because we have Nico. You can see that means Pep is beginning to trust Nico Gonzalez according to Pep. So now that we have Rodri is back, but he can't play yet because we have Nico. And he also made the reason why he could not start Nico against Aston Villa is because Nico have little injury in our last match. I think that was the one of Aston Villarreal before the one of Aston Villa. We played one against Villarreal first before we played Aston Villa. So Nico have little injury, so that's the reason why he could not play Nico, and he played Tijani in that defensive midfield role. So he also said that that is just what happened. And he also said we saw what happened immediately. Nico came in the second half. The little minutes he get, and Nico really performed very well at a high level. The game was totally changed immediately Nico came in. So that means Pep have trust Nico. Then moving on, he said that Erling Haaland, the goal machine, is not tired of scoring goals. According to Pep, that Erling did not tell him that he's tired of scoring goals. And you see, Erling Haaland did not play our last game against Swansea in the EFL Cup. So according Pep said he rest him so that he will get some time and relax well. Then that is how we found it. So definitely, I'm strongly believe that Erling Haaland is definitely going to deliver today. I don't know how he's going to do it, but I'm sure Haaland is going to deliver. And you know, anything that make Haaland deliver, we are free to go. We can score, we can win. So that is how we found it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Pep Guardiola beginning to trust Nico Gonzalez in that defensive midfield role, and also Erling Haaland will not stop scoring.